Release the track tension. Refer to Operation and Maintenance Manual. Track, check, adjust. Position the machine so that TrackMaster Link 2 is just above the center line of rear idler. 1. Position suitable cribbing under the track shoe directly below TrackMaster Link 2. Position the machine until the track is in contact with the suitable cribbing. Raise the blade. Position tooling A under both sides of the blade. Lower the blade onto tooling A. Attach tooling B and a suitable lifting device to track shoe 4. The weight of track shoe 4 is approximately 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Remove bolts 3 and track shoe 4. Discard bolts 3. Separate TrackMaster Link 2. Attach tooling B and a suitable lifting device to track 5. Remove track 5. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. See you on next video. Bye bye.